Welcome to Bhopal. Free guide. What kind of things do you write?
Lifestyle.
Lifestyle, okay. You want to write a real story? Union Carbide stores 40 tons of poison in the heart of Bhopal.
Why India?
We came here to help build better farmers.
That's a tough market to call in.
India was open for business, and I wanted carbide at the heart of the revolution.
कार्बाइड में काम किया।
तो यूनिफॉर्म में बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हो।
What is our official line?
As long as we are learning from our mistakes, we are safe.
One drop of your stuff killed her husband.
We take precaution,
Your factory is choking this town.
but this factory feeds this town. Tell me something. You think carbide should stay here in Bhopal?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I can sleep tonight.